Okay, so this is a test of my noise alert glove. As you can tell, there's background music, which is this only sometimes responding to, which is good because it's supposed to be filtering out background sound, and only blinking in a certain color light dependent on how loud the noise is compared to the average background noise recently. As you can tell, it's definitely reacting to my voice, which is expected because it's not a constant sound like the music is. As you see, it still wasn't reacting to the music, which is good because that's constant background noise, which is supposed to be filtered out. And as you can see, it's definitely still reacting to other sound peaks. Like if I hit my hand off the table, it does a really powerful alert. It's like, you need to pay attention to this. And I guess this is useful mostly if you're hearing impaired, or you have headphones in and someone's trying to get your attention. So this is it mostly. That's all.